guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make these people keychains. Here I used a 1/2 inch bead and the string, which I'll have it written down how long you guys need. But for the demonstration video I will be using a square bead because I found these at a Dollar Tree and I had my fiance drill a hole for me because you'll see what I'll make out of these, which is kind of cool. And then you'll need some keychains. So let's just get started. So first what we're gonna do is we're gonna line these two ends up. First we're gonna put the string through the keychain. Then we're gonna line up the two ends, right? And now we're gonna do our favorite knot, the X knot. So you're gonna place the top string. So first we're actually gonna place the two strings parallel to your finger. Then we're going to take the top string, wrap it around your finger and the bottom string, and bring that string through your loop that you just created, right? Then you're going to take that bottom string that's in the middle of the loop. We're going to take it and bring it up and over our finger, through the loop, and through this loop up here, left to right. Then we're gonna slowly tie these together. And now we have the, I guess you guys can see it. So now we have the X knot right there. So next we're going to take the two ends again and string it through. I like to stagger them. If you kind of have a little difficulty stringing the string through the hole, you can always stagger them, or you can take a piece of Scotch tape and wrap it around the ends. Take some Scotch tape and you can wrap around the ends. It kind of creates a little needle point for you, right? And you can string it through easily, and that's that. So next we're gonna place the string in my clip here. So you don't necessarily need to hold the string down with a clip. You can tape it down to the table with like some painter's tape or regular tape, but I like to use a clip because I'm a little fancy. Next, we're going to line up these two ends again, right? The two ends. Then we're going to place the string. We're going to place the blue string underneath the green string, like so. And you do start from the bottom. So we're starting from the opposite end of where the wooden bead is. And when we're done with this, you'll see why. So this is another super simple knot. We're going to take the right string, bring it over the center like so. Then we're going to take the left string, bring it over the right string, under the center, the two green strings, and up through the loop. Next we're going to alternate, and we're going to take the left string, bring it over the green string, take the right string, place it over the left string, underneath the green, and up through the loop. Once again, right string over the green string, left string over the right string, underneath the two green, and up through the loop. So we're going to do this about 13 more times. So I like about 8 notches on the side, so you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now that we have about 8 notches, we'll push the body down like so, right? Then we're going to take the arm here, take the string. So you have 2 options. We can either tie it off, so he or she, so it has some sort of shoulders, right? Measure about the arm length, tie another knot. Then we can take the string like this. We can do another fancy knot. Or we can do another fancy knot. So you place your string like so, wrap it around your finger. So you place the string like so, parallel against your index finger. Wrap it around. I'm just going to do 2 times because that's all I can do. If you can get 3 loops, that'd be great. Then I squish the loops as close to the end there as possible, and I just carefully pull. Then again, single loop. I'm not going to put any legs on these ones here, so. Just gonna cut them. So you can paint them, but I don't have green paint, but I did have green permanent markers. There you have it, a little Minecraft character. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye!